Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're taking you on a special journey to Dinagat Island, where another exciting interior design project begins. Every successful project starts long before fabrication or installation. It begins with careful planning, accurate measurements, and a clear vision of what the finished space should become. Our journey starts with traveling to the project site. Reaching Dinagat Island requires time, preparation, and commitment. But every trip is an opportunity to transform ideas into reality. Every destination brings a new challenge, and every challenge inspires us to create better designs. Upon arriving at the site, we begin one of the most important stages of the project site measurement. Every wall, corner, ceiling height, window opening, and structural detail is carefully measured and documented. Accuracy at this stage is essential because every dimension serves as the foundation for the entire design process. A well-executed site measurement minimizes errors and ensures that every custom-built element fits perfectly. After gathering all the necessary information, we return to our workstation to begin transforming those measurements into a complete digital model using Autodesk 3ds Max. The modeling process starts by recreating the actual space with precise dimensions. One by one, the walls, floors, ceilings, cabinetry, furniture, and architectural details are carefully built to match the real project. Every element is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, allowing the client to visualize the finished interior before construction begins. With the 3D model complete, we proceed to one of the most creative stages of the workflow material assignment. Textures and finishes play a major role in bringing realism to every design. Each cabinet, wall, floor, countertop, and decorative element receives carefully selected materials that accurately represent the final look of the project. Reflections, surface roughness, wood grain direction, and color tones are all adjusted to create a realistic and balanced presentation. Once the materials have been finalized, we move on to the lighting setup. Lighting is one of the key elements in architectural visualization. It not only illuminates the space, but also defines its mood, depth, and atmosphere. Using a combination of natural daylight and carefully positioned artificial lighting, we simulate how the interior will appear under real-world conditions. Every light source is adjusted to enhance textures, create realistic shadows, and highlight the important features of the design. The goal is to produce an environment that feels warm, inviting, and true to life. With the modeling, materials, and lighting fully prepared, we proceed to the final rendering stage using V-Ray. This is where the entire concept comes to life. V-Ray transforms the digital model into photorealistic images, allowing every detail to be visualized before construction begins. From realistic reflections and soft shadows to natural lighting and detailed material textures, every render provides a clear representation of the final design. Architectural visualization is more than creating beautiful images. It is a powerful communication tool that helps clients understand the design, make informed decisions, and refine details before fabrication starts. This process reduces costly revisions and ensures that everyone shares the same vision for the finished project. Every project we create reflects our commitment to precision, creativity, and quality. Whether the project is located in the city or on an island, we bring the same level of dedication to every design we produce. After weeks of planning, fabrication, and preparation, the time has finally come to bring this entire interior project to life. Today, we're taking you through the complete delivery and installation of our custom modular cabinetry project here in Dinagat Island. Because this project is located on an island, every cabinet, panel, countertop, and accessory must be carefully transported from our workshop to the ferry and finally to the project site. Every piece is handled with extra care to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Once all the materials are delivered, our team begins unloading and organizing every cabinet according to its designated area. Proper preparation allows the installation process to move efficiently while maintaining the quality of every finished component. This project features multiple custom-built spaces, each designed to meet the client's lifestyle while maintaining a consistent modern aesthetic throughout the home. We begin with one of the largest areas, the modular kitchen. Every base cabinet, wall cabinet and storage unit is carefully installed, leveled and aligned to ensure a seamless finish. Accuracy at this stage is essential because every succeeding component depends on the proper positioning of the cabinetry. Connected to the kitchen is the custom bar counter, designed to create a welcoming space for family gatherings, casual dining and entertaining guests. More than just an extension of the kitchen, it serves as a functional centerpiece that combines style with everyday practicality. To complement the cabinetry, we install a beautiful quartz terracotta countertop. Its elegant marble-inspired pattern adds a luxurious touch while providing a durable and practical surface for daily use. Throughout the project, we use a carefully selected combination of premium materials, including marine board with glossy light grey and glossy mocha finishes, PVC foam board, melamine linen and melamine walnut. Together, these finishes create a balanced design that combines modern sophistication with the warmth of natural wood textures. The walls are enhanced with PVC grey and PVC terracotta wall accent panels, adding texture, depth and a refined architectural character that complements the cabinetry throughout the home. With the kitchen complete, our attention shifts to the wall-mounted mini bar. Designed as both a display feature and a practical storage solution, it provides an elegant space for decorative pieces, beverages, and everyday essentials while blending seamlessly into the overall interior design. We then continue with the installation of the TV console, where every cabinet, shelf and panel is carefully aligned to create a clean, modern entertainment area. The combination of textures and finishes transforms the wall into a sophisticated focal point within the living space. Next, we move into the private areas of the home. The master bedroom wardrobe is carefully installed to maximize storage while maintaining a sleek and organized appearance. Every door, shelf and compartment is adjusted to ensure smooth operation and long-lasting durability. Our team then proceeds to the guest room wardrobe designed with the same attention to detail and functionality, creating a comfortable and organized storage solution for visitors. In bedroom 1, we install a custom wardrobe integrated with a dedicated study area. This combination provides efficient storage while creating a practical workspace suitable for studying, working, or personal activities. The same concept continues in bedroom 2, where another custom wardrobe and study area are installed to maximize the available space while maintaining a consistent design throughout the home. One of the highlights of this project is the installation of premium storage accessories that significantly improve everyday convenience. The pull-out baskets provide easy access to kitchen essentials while keeping storage organized. The full-height pull-out pantry maximizes vertical storage, making efficient use of narrow cabinet spaces. The pull-down basket allows upper cabinets to become more accessible by bringing stored items comfortably within reach. The integrated waste bin system keeps the kitchen clean, organized, and efficient while maintaining the minimalist appearance of the cabinetry. These accessories may appear simple, but they greatly improve the overall functionality of the kitchen and make daily routines more comfortable. As the installation nears completion, we proceed with the mirrors and integrated LED strip lighting. Each mirror is carefully positioned to enhance the sense of space and brightness within the interior. The LED strip lighting is installed to highlight the cabinetry, accent walls and display areas, creating a warm, modern atmosphere while emphasizing the beauty of every finish and texture. Throughout the installation, every cabinet door, drawer, hinge, drawer slide and accessory is carefully adjusted and inspected. Precision is never rushed because every small detail contributes to the overall quality of the finished project. After completing all installation work, our team conducts a final inspection of every room. We test every cabinet, verify the alignment of every panel, inspect the lighting, clean every surface, and make the final adjustments before project turnover. Standing back and seeing the completed home is one of the most rewarding moments for our entire team. What was once an empty space has been transformed into a complete, functional, and elegant interior built with quality materials, thoughtful design, and skilled craftsmanship. Projects like this remind us that every successful installation is the result of teamwork, dedication, and a commitment to excellence. To our valued client in Dinagat Island, thank you for your trust and confidence in our team. It has been an honor to bring your vision to life, and we hope this home will bring comfort, functionality, and lasting memories for many years to come. And to everyone watching, thank you for joining us on this incredible installation journey. If you're planning to build your dream home or upgrade your interiors with custom modular cabinetry, we'd be happy to help transform your ideas into reality. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us for more complete home transformations, modular cabinet installations, and interior design projects. We'll see you in our next project. Thank you for watching, and God bless.